Hello everyone, welcome to the Dinstar product experience session. Today we will unbox the C64 series IP phone, our mainstream mid-range business model. It features a 3.5-inch HD color screen, supports 16 SIP lines and 40 programmable line keys, making it the top choice for enterprise department supervisors, medium-sized front desk staff and team leaders of small and medium call centers. This unboxing covers the best-selling C64 GP. The installation process and accessories are fully interchangeable with the C64G. In the same series, all complete accessories are included in the package for immediate deployment without extra purchases. One C64 GP main unit, HD noise cancelling handset, professional RJ9 handset cable, gigabit Ethernet cable, and dual-angle adjustable base stand. Models with suffix PC64 GP support power supply via Ethernet cable. The power adapter is not included and can be purchased separately as required. The standard version C64G does not support PO and comes with a power adapter as standard. The unit boasts premium business-grade texture, equipped with a 3.5-inch 48320 high-definition backlit color screen. It fully displays incoming call lines, contacts, and call logs. The phone comes with 40-page switchable programmable line keys. BELF enables quick viewing of extension status. One-touch call transfer and pickup, greatly boosting efficiency for multi-line reception. It features dual gigabit auto-adaptive Ethernet ports that allow PC daisy chaining and support enterprise VLAN segmentation, delivering stable compatibility with complex office networks. All models come with an HD handset and full duplex HD speakerphone. They support ACE wireless headsets from Plantronics, Jabra and Sennheiser, bringing all-day comfort for agents during long shifts. Before assembly, inspect the color screen, RJ9 headset port, USB expansion port and rear RJ12 expansion console port for scratches or damage. Complete deployment in just 3 quick assembly steps. Assembly is beginner-friendly with 0 technical barriers. Step 1. Take out the RJ9 handset cable. Connect its 2 ends to the handset and the dedicated rear RJ9 headset port, respectively. Push firmly for a tight, secure fit that prevents loose connections. Step 2. Align the base buckle with the rear slot of the phone and push inward to lock it in place. 2 adjustable height angles are available for flexible positioning. Step 3. Power on and connect to the network. The PO model C64 GP only needs a single gigabit Ethernet cable to deliver both power and network connectivity simultaneously. The standard C64G boots up after connecting the bundled power adapter, with the screen lighting up automatically to enter the initialization interface. Adhering to green environmental protection concepts, the C64 series does not come with printed paper manuals. You may contact authorized distributors or visit the official Dinstar website to download electronic quick installation and mass provisioning configuration manuals free of charge. It supports TR069 remote network management and automatic batch device activation, enabling effortless unified maintenance across multiple branches. The C64 series supports 16 SIP accounts, 6-party HD conferences, local call recording, SIP-TELS or SARP call encryption, multi-language interfaces and customizable function keys. Compatible with Dinstar UC series zips and mainstream unified communication platforms worldwide. It is ideal for department supervisors in medium-sized enterprises, store switchboards, agents of small and medium call centers, and front desks of group branch offices. For questions regarding custom line key settings and network encryption configurations, please refer to the electronic manuals or contact Dinstar official technical support at any time. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.